Hello friend, today I'll show you how to set up Snapchat ad. So you must have a Snapchat account. So uh, first you have to log in from your Snapchat, and you have to create a Snapchat business manager account. So you need some information. You need to create a Snapchat ad. You need this account, Snapchat business manager account, ad account, pixel setup. Then you can run a ad. So now I am sharing you how to create a business account. After signing your Snapchat, you have to signing from here snapchat.com, profile.snapchat.com, or you can search Google uh, Snapchat business manager account. Then you can click here, or you can click Snapchat. Okay, then it will divert you in your, wait few minutes, few times, sorry, it will take some second. Then it will bring you here. Then we will set a business manager account. We will click here, open a business account, then click here. Then you have to be a legal name. Okay, so I am right here my name, suppose. Then your business email, you can send, keep your email here. Then your only few country have access, allow Snapchat at this area. Australia, my country are not allowed. Okay, here, so I'll set up my clients or any others clients account. So you need to a US phone number, or you can use from this country, US, United Kingdom, Uzbekistan. You can find from here. Every country has not available Snapchat ad. You can change your currency. Okay. Then you, after fill up this form, you have to create a business. So I will fill up this form and I'll click here. So I'm skipping this. Then click continue. Okay, click continue. I'm showing you something here. So before creating the business account, if you click this business, you can see only few options are available. This option are not available. But when you create the business manager account, you can see here this all option are available. So that means your business manager account are created. So after creating, so I finished this two option, Snapchat account and Snapchat business manager account, and I will create a Snapchat ad account. When you have a business manager account, that will convert you Snapchat ad account, so we need not to create this account. So I will create the Snapchat pixel now. Okay. So this tutorial is for account creation. I will show you the pixel next video, and I hope you will subscribe my channel, and you will follow my Facebook page, so you can uh, watch my next video. So thank you everyone.